Lockwood? You're still alive?
That's right. Hands up! Give me back my friends!
Of course! I have them right here.
Hey, Flint.
Sam! Guys! Chester, let them go!
Oh, don't worry, Lockwood. I'll let them go. Right into my super-sized food bar machine.
Food bars? Food bars? You're going to turn them into food bars?
Yes, food bars. The lifeblood of my company. I learned your flittis for food is far more delicious than food. So using your foodimals as ingredients would make my product super delicious. I had to have your invention. Unfortunately, I couldn't find it. Until you helped me.
Switch to Fliminer!
Watermelon.
You're a monster! Those are living creatures!
Yes, that's the problem. Food with legs is much harder to catch. They hide, they fight back, they want to live. Ugh. But now that I control your flittis, I can pave your island and work in complete secrecy. Lipcore will remain the coolest, hippest company in the world with the new food bar version 8.0!
I never should have believed in you.
Yes, that was quite foolish. Now, if you want your friends back, I suggest you drop your cans.
Don't do it, Flint! Save the island!
But you are my island.
Ew! Okay, first shut up. Then drop the cans, or I drop your friends.
Okay, there!
Oh no, Flint, this is embarrassing. I changed my mind. Please understand, I can't leave any witnesses. Barb, grind them.
But sir, I didn't think we were going to...
This is why I work alone. You are dismissed. And now, without further ado... Why won't this go faster?
Give me that controller!
Sure, come and get it. But which one of us has it? Is it me? Or me?
Oh!
Earl! Can't you break us out of here?
Yellow police tape. The one thing I can't break.
Fork and knife and spooninator! Sam, guys, listen. Invisible coffee table! I'm sorry I was such an idiot.
Flint, that's true. But now may not be the time.
Please, just let me finish. I took you all for granted, and I should have listened to you.
Okay, go on. But hurry!
The truth is, I need each and every one of you guys. You're more than my friends. You're my family. Oh!
How sweet. Note to self, put that on their tombstones. Bravo! Don't you see, young Lockwood? These friends are the reason you keep losing.
Well, it's better than ending up alone like you.
I'm not alone. I've got holograms.
Flint! Why don't you throw him a party?
We love parties.
Party? Party!
Party's open.
Lockwood.
Not yet. I think it's time to celebrate! Thanks, lab partner.
Helping!
Guys, I'm so sorry for being such a...
Chester!
Okay, I guess I deserve that.
No, Flint! Chester!
I've got what I want. Enjoy your friends, Lockwood.
No! No! Don't do this!
Anybody gonna be keeping folks safe in this town, it's me.
Taco Dial. Supreme.
It's over, Chester.
Now hand over the Flintstefuminer.
No! Never!
Chester, there's nowhere to go!
That's what you think. Save me!
I believe this belongs to you.